Welcome back to TechXplorer, your go-to channel for all the latest in mobile tech. Today, we are diving into a flagship device that's turning heads everywhere, the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus. This smartphone promises cutting-edge features, unmatched performance, and an aesthetic design that screams luxury. But does it live up to the hype? Stick around as we explore every aspect of this powerhouse device in detail. Let's get started. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus takes smartphone design to a whole new level. With a seamless blend of glass and metal, this device feels like a piece of art in your hands. The matte finish back panel not only resists fingerprints but also gives it an elegant look. Available in stunning colors like emerald green and mystic black, Huawei clearly knows how to make a statement. The IP68 water and dust resistance ensures durability, making it perfect for both style and substance. The Mate 70 Pro Plus boasts a 6.8-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a 3200x1440 resolution and an adaptive 120Hz refresh rate. This display delivers incredible clarity and vibrant colors, making it ideal for watching movies, gaming, or simply scrolling through your favorite apps. With 1200 nits peak brightness, it performs exceptionally well even under direct sunlight. The HDR10 Plus certification adds depth and color accuracy, making this one of the best displays you can get on a smartphone. Under the hood, the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus is powered by the Kirin 9000's chipset, a 5nm processor designed for efficiency and performance. Paired with 12GB or 16GB of RAM and storage options going up to 1TB, this phone handles multitasking and intensive apps effortlessly. The gaming experience is equally impressive. Thanks to the Maliun GPU, demanding games like Genshin Impact and Call of Duty Mobile run smoothly, even at max settings. And let's not forget Huawei's HarmonyOS 4, which is optimized to utilize the hardware efficiently. The system is sleek, fast, and offers some unique multitasking features. Now, let's talk about the cameras, arguably the Mate 70 Pro Plus's most standout feature. The 50MP Ultra Aperture primary sensor is a game-changer, delivering unparalleled detail and color accuracy, even in challenging lighting conditions. The 48MP ultrawide lens expands your creative possibilities, while the 64MP periscope telephoto lens offers up to 10x optical zoom and 100x digital zoom for capturing distant subjects with incredible clarity. For video enthusiasts, this device supports 4K video recording with features like AI stabilization and cinematic mode, making it perfect for both amateurs and professionals. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus packs a 5200 mAh battery, ensuring all-day power even with heavy use. But what really sets it apart is the 88W fast charging that gets you from 0 to 100% in under 35 minutes. On top of that, it supports 50W wireless charging and 10W reverse wireless charging, allowing you to share power with other devices seamlessly. HarmonyOS 4 is the heart of the Mate 70 Pro Plus. Huawei's custom operating system brings intuitive features like Super Device for seamless connectivity between Huawei gadgets and enhanced privacy features. You'll also love the gesture-based navigation and customizable widgets that make the interface both user-friendly and visually appealing. In terms of connectivity, the Mate 70 Pro Plus comes with 5G support, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, and dual SIM compatibility. Huawei's advancements in network optimization ensure blazing fast speeds and stable connections. The stereo speaker setup delivers rich, immersive sound, making it perfect for streaming movies or listening to music. Security is top-notch with an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner that's not only fast but also highly secure. There's also 3D face unlock, which works seamlessly even in low light. Now, let's talk pricing. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus starts at approximately $1,299, depending on your region and the configuration you choose. While it's undoubtedly a premium price, the features it offers make it worth every penny. In conclusion, the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus is a powerhouse that combines cutting-edge technology, a stunning design, and a robust camera system. Whether you're a gamer, a photographer, or someone who wants a reliable daily driver, this device ticks all the boxes. Thank you for watching Techsplorer. If you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth tech content. What are your thoughts on the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus? Let us know in the comments below. See you in the next video.